Hi everyone, what are we looking today into? We are looking for a closures. So yes, it's the most important topic in the JavaScript asked in an interviews. Also we used in our daily day life, but we kind of ignore those things. So they are used in daily based life and we will see how they are being used. So first of all, we will be seeing an definitions, how you can remember those definitions, and then we will be looking for a code and how we use it in our daily base and where we use it. Okay, so let's start with a definition. A closure is a combination of a function bundled together, enclosed with a references to its surrounding state, the lexical environment. Looks difficult, correct? But it's not. Let's see. So first question which is arriving is what is function bundling or a function bundled? So what are they? They are a function as a wrapper and there are multiple functions inside it. So let's see how it is. So it's a function. So let's call about a main function and there they will be having an inner function. So you can say this is as a one function one. Then you will be having some more functions. So check once again a combination of a function bundled together. Are this function bundled together? Okay, so this is what we called a function bundled. Okay, then the second thing is with the references of its surrounding state or a lexical environment. So second question is what is a lexical environment? So lexical environment is nothing but a variables which can be accessed locally as well as globally. So what are the global scoped? So global scoped are variables which are outside the functions. Let's say we have a const where v1. Let's call about a variable one which is a number. Okay. So with this can be accessed inside a main function. So we can console this inside a main function as well as we can console this inside a inner function. So this can be done. So this is what we called a surrounding state or a lexical environment. If you still have any doubts in this, so we will be going through more examples. These doubts will be cleared. So let's talk about a definition once again. A closure is a combination of a function bundled together with the references to its surrounding state, the lexical environment. Is it easy now? If you still have any doubts with the first definition, you can go with the second definition. So it says a closure gives you an access to an outer function scope from an inner function. Okay, so this we have already seen that we have a main function and there are inner functions. So inner functions has a access to the outer functions variable as well as we have an access to a global variable. Let's see an example. Let's talk about scopes first, lexical environment. So let's have a name, which is my first name, we can say, is equal to Rajapta. Let's take an arrow function, const main function, you can say. So here you can access first name, console.log. Okay, let's say it's a first name. So this is first name, we can access over here. Let's say we have a surname over here. Surname is equal to, I will go with my surname, that is last name we can say. Okay, so this is a surname, so you will be having access inside this function. If we console this thing, first name and surname, call this function, let's call a main function. Okay, now I will be running this code. So first name is accessed inside the function and the surname is also accessed inside the function. Okay, so let's talk about a hello function. Hello function. Okay, and in that we will be we will be doing a console log hello. Let's take a constant. Then let's talk about a different function. Let's say about a good morning function. Say good morning function, and it will be consoling log with good morning, and then we will be returning this both the function so that we can access it outside. Now let's see how we can access an hello function. Okay, so let's catch this in a variable. Let's call f as the variable, and then we can call as f dot hello function. Okay, and after this we can call f dot good morning function. Okay, so what will be the output? So output will be the first name, then first name and last name, that is Prajakta and Prajakta Shirke. Then hello function we have called hello function. It will directly go into a hello function and call this. So this will give you an hello, and then second function will give you a good morning. Okay, so let's try and run. We have Prajakta Shirke. Okay, and then after that we have a single hello and good morning function. So let's go again through a definition which we have seen. So there is a closure is a combination of a function bundled together with a references to its surrounding state. This is the simplest way of working with the closure. Now let's talk about where you can use this closure. So closure is used in React.js as well for writing a custom hooks. So we have a custom hook with all the functions inside it, and we return those functions. So this is how we return the functions. So this is how we create a hook, custom hook, a JS when we want to fetch a data from a URL. So we use it into a fetch over here, and then you have a URL, and then you are getting some data, and you are, let's say, storing into and pushing into a data. So here you push your data in an array. So from where this array will be coming, so it can be through parameters. So there will be URL and also an array. So after this you can return an array from the function, and you can console URL. This is how you can use it in React.js also. So this is used in a daily life. So comment down below so where you have used closure in your projects.